This is going to be an American flag. A lot of people at work have been getting these now whenever they retire or move on to another job. So this is going to be my first recording showing them what that's gonna look like. And we're gonna actually, after it's dried, you just put this stuff on there. Shellac. Kind of helps whenever you spray paint it black for it to not bleed over. But I'm gonna spray this top part black and then wait for that to dry. And then put it on over here. This is my Shapeco. It's kind of given me problems in the past, but hoping that's just because I haven't been lubricating these rails. So now they've been swimming in lubrication. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll record that process whenever I get it painted up, and you'll see how that goes. Hopefully no problems. Out.